Alright, YouTube. I know you're probably going to hear a football game, but whatever. I'm about to show you something awesome. It's when you start crushing these. Of course, this one didn't crush all the way. But crushing them in a vise is fun. I don't care about your Eagles.
Here we go.
I'm recording a video. Nobody wants to hear your Eagles crap. That's the fun way of getting rid of these. I had an older one and it exploded. It was just left down. It was left down to just the metal. Yeah, here's the brass part coming out. There goes the brass. There we go. That's up to you. Okay, that's not hard.
There's no glasses on it. Put glasses on in the future, okay?
Alright.
Glasses on you, I don't care about anything else.
That's the fun way of getting rid of a broken outlet. It's completely crushing it in a vise. That's the fun way. This is iron. That goes in there. Brass. Plastic. Where'd the other brass piece go? Because there's a secondary one somewhere. Oh well. Whatever. And another brass bites the dust. That's how I get rid of my old outlets. Enjoy yourself doing that with yours.